For math videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Okay, so today we are going to start with chapter number 2, that is exponents and powers. Okay, the first thing that we are going to see is what does exponent and power mean? The name of the chapter is exponents and power. What does that mean? For example, when we write 4 square, here 4 is the base and 2 is the power. For example, here if we write a power m, so a is the base and m is the power. Here we have simple rules and regulations and the laws for exponents and powers that are known as laws of exponents. In this type of laws of exponents, the first law says that when the base is a power m multiplied by a power n, then that equals a power m plus n. Whenever the base are same and the powers are different and these both numbers are multiplied, then the powers are added. Let us see one example. If it is 2 cube multiplied by 2 power 6, the base are same, so what we are supposed to do? 2 power 3 plus 6, that is 2 power 9, and this will be your answer. The second type of example that we are going to see, that is the law of exponents. There is the second law. When the base is same, a power m divided by a power n. At that moment of time, we need to see that a is the base which is same and here it is m minus n. For example, if we have 2 power 8 divided by 2 power 7, then this means 2 power 8 minus 7, that is 2 power 1. Answer is 2. Okay. The third law that we are going to see is a power m multiplied by power n. So this becomes a power m into n. Let us say, for example, if it is 5 power 2 whole power 3. So this becomes 5 power 2 multiplied by 3. This is equal to 5 power 6. Okay, there is a difference, a very thin line of difference that is not given in the textbook anywhere. But if it is 5 power 2 power 3 and there is no bracket like this, at that time it becomes 5 power 2 power 3, that is 8. So this will be your answer when no bracket is given. When bracket is given, at that time 5 power 6 will be your answer. When bracket is given, then powers are multiplied. When bracket is not given, then it is power of 2. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. The fourth law that we are going to see, when bases are different and powers are same, a power m multiplied by b power m. So a and b will be together and power will be on the top. Let us say, for example, if 7 power 2 multiplied by 3 power 2, the base are different but the power are same. So 7 into 3 power 2, that is 21 power 2. This will be your answer. Similarly, we can, which is the last law, a power m divided by b power m. So this means a upon b power m. For example, 7 power 3 divided by 4 power 3. So this is equal to 7 upon 4 together, power is same. If it is said that express in exponent form, okay, for example, the question is 400. The very first step that you are going to do is the prime factorization. That is, you take 400, 2 200s are, 2 hundreds are, 250, 225. Here I have to put 5, 5, 5 and 1. So what we are supposed to do after doing the prime factorization method, as we know that 400 is equal to 2 is taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 power 4, and here it is 5 into 5 into 5 square. Okay, this is one form that is done in exponential form. Okay, here it can be written like 2 power 2 multiplied by 2 power 2 multiplied by 5 power 2. That comes up to 2 into 2 into 5 whole power 2. That comes up to 20 power 2. It can be written like this also, and it can be written like this also. Both the answers will be right. So these are the basic laws how to solve the normal questions and laws of exponents. Thank you.